What is up, guys? Back with another video, and today we are going to open 70k worth of pro packs. I don't want to do it, but I got pressured. So here we go with the first pack. No script, no face cam, guys. I'm sorry for that. So let's rip the first pack. Bam. Okay. I had to sell some players to make these kinds of coins. These are lots of coins in my book. Second pack. Give me some fire. Fire. Trash, dude. I need at least an 89 to make my money back. A good 89. Not so trash 89. Second corner. I'm getting a little angry here. Just calm down. Yeah, you're trash. Give me an elite and I love you. That's 3 corners. Alright, I'm opening up a blind one. If it says update team, I'll honestly cry because I know it's cool. Darn it, dude. No elites. I don't care if we don't make money back. I just want an elite pool. So, quite frankly, I like elite pools. So, here we go. Bam. Gah! Calm down and pull an elite. Gosh dang it, that's the fist. Just want an elite, guys. One stinking elite, and bam. Oh my gosh. Open, you stupid pack. I'm not gonna talk to a pony elite. $90K worth of pro packs. No elite pools. I'm so dude. Most of the players we got were cornerbacks. 4 golds. If we get 4 golds, we can open up a big quick sell on the channel. 1, 2, 3, alright, 4. Elite, okay, take it. Ooh, we have enough to do 2 of these. Okay, so if we get at least 50K on this quick sell, I won't be mad. I just won't be mad. I'm mad. Because I like elites. And I cannot pull an elite. That is the worst pro pack opening in the history of pro pack openings. I just want to cry. Alright, guys, we're getting into the big quick sell pack. Here we go. We pull 100K, dude. Anything over 20, I'll be thankful. Alright, guys, I'm covering up this for a minute. Y'all can see it. I can't. What I get? If we don't pull any lead in this pack, I'm done, dude. It's a done deal. If we don't pull any lead, then I have to quick sell it. I don't care if it's a stinking 84 gold. That's our wager. We're quick selling everything in the pack if we don't get any lead. You all can see it. I can't. Guys, I hope you like this video. Really cool, so I probably won't be making a video in a while. Peace.